Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and log in into your US bank application on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is simply go ahead into App Store and search for US Bank just like I did, and simply tap on the first application, which is right away here, and simply go ahead and download and install it. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open the application. And now, in order for you to go ahead and log in, enter your username up top, go ahead and enter your password down here. You can also go ahead and enable your remember me checkmark to keep your username always remembered, and right over here. And all you need to do is click on login once you've entered those details, and you will be logged in into your account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on